Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, who am I? This question is the most fundamental question of spirituality. The nutshell of spiritual search is contained in this question, who am I? This question is not concerned with the little self, but this question is concerned with the whole existence. It is an existential question. If we ask this question, what will happen to us? As a self, wherever we go, we are to return to ourselves only. Hence, we must know how to face ourselves. That is the ultimate truth of life. Now, by asking this question, an inward journey has started. Why a person is violent? By violence, the person identifies himself with that. Certainly, he thinks that he is different from violence. If we ask this question, who am I? Then what is the place of violence in the scheme of things? Violence is one of the content of consciousness. So, if we ask this question very deeply, then we will be able to transcend violence. Not only violence, but other content of consciousness like anger, hatred, ruthlessness, callous nature. You will be able to transcend all those negative aspects of life. So this inquiry will certainly help us to realize ourselves. If we know ourselves, it means we have known the outside world, because the inside world is the reflection of the outside world. The outgoing and the incoming energy is one and the same. So, life functions in unity. Now, by this question, we will be able to realize that unity. So, in any seeker's life, this question plays an important role. When a person attains a kind of maturity, certainly this question will arise. By asking this question, many of the day-to-day life problems will be solved. We will have clarity and understanding about life. For that, this question helps a lot. This question removes the ignorance from our life. Ultimately, this question will take us to a place where timelessness can be experienced. The purpose of life is to go beyond the known. Creation takes place in the unknown world. So this question helps us to experience that dimension of life. Life is impermanent. Beyond this day-to-day life, there may be some timeless dimension of life. So, to have a better understanding about the life in all its dimensions, certainly this question, who am I, will help us. So, this question concerns the welfare of all the humanity. So, those who are interested in the search of inner world certainly are to ask this question whenever time permits. By asking this question, certainly we will realize our inner being. In the forthcoming video, once again, we will deal with some other aspect of life.